spot. I'm in my car. Here's my neighbor. Wave, neighbor.
Hi, safe trip home.
And tell me where you're from.
Minnesota.
Oh, where in Minnesota?
Twin Cities.
Yep.
Excelsior.
Well, that's where our family lives. They live in St. Paul and Bloomington.
Okay. Okay, they gotta come up and visit, right?
Yeah, there you go.
Safe travels.
Thank you. So here we are on the ferry. We're not supposed to get out of our car. I started to, but you gotta stay in your vehicle at all times. This is sweet, man. I love it. So we're going to the other side. Whoa. Oh, my vehicle's on. Awesome. Cool. Well, I'm going to turn the camera off and get ready to get out of the disembark.